Can you get out of my bed already?
No.
Why?
Just.
Because why?
Just.
You know, it's about time for you to get out of my bed.
I'm trying to get in my bed.
No, I'm tired of you being in my bed.
No, trying to be in my bed.
It's my bed, though.
My bed.
Whose room is this?
My bed.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Hey. Hey.
Hey. Hey.
That's how people get beat up in the hood.
No.
What? I don't know what you're saying. Don't be weird.
To be weird.
No, you don't be weird.
No, be
You're being weird.
weird.
You're cute, you know that? Are you cute? You got a milk mustache. Well, you got more like a milk ring. Get your finger out of your nose. You're nasty. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, buddy.
Like and subscribe.
Hi, guys.
Say like and
And
subscribe.
guys.
Go mwah.